embarrassing.
So
Bring this new guy along.
I know, a newbie. Tim's first redfish ever. Today.
What's so funny?
Welcome back, boys.
If we only had the GoPro out 5 minutes ago. Do we need to take that off for you?
Yeah, really.
Look at that, huh? Sweet little guy.
Haven't heard that laugh before.
Okay, go Dave.
Team Dave Marty finally on the board.
Go Dave. What do we have here?
I think it was the same one you had.
Nope, a little bigger. Good job, Dave. I didn't think it was that huge.
Wonder if it's got a hook on him.
Probably has a couple.
I better.
He's just staying there. He's not doing much. Probably pretty tired from all the hooks. Move the boat. Down, down. Go on this side.
Coming up.
I couldn't let up far enough.
That was a good one though. He's probably got 3 hooks on him now.
I couldn't let up.
In there. Okay, now we're good. Thanks for letting me use your area over there.
You betcha. I didn't want to hog all the fish. Nice. Big red? Go Davey, go Davey. Marty, what are you doing? Nice. Nice fish. You want the net?
I think I can get it.
You think you can get it? Oh, nice fish. Nice fish. You betcha. Dandy.
Let me see.
Oh, he's only 26 and a half.
26.
Nice. Nice fish.
Upper slot.
Yes, sir. Good job, Dave.
So since it hasn't come up yet.
Oh! Go, Dave. Go, Dave.
I don't want to whap you.
I'm getting out of your way.
Yeah. Go, Davey.
Find him back here better. This one's gonna need the net.
Oh, you got it? It's a team effort here, you know that.
I don't know how I got him out of the woods.
Nice. That's a dandy. He's a good one.
He's not done yet, but
Put your, yeah, there you go.
ready?
No. Oh, oh.
This way.
Nice, nice. Good job, boys. It's a nice one.
28.
Look at that, a fat one too. Nice,
28.
nice.
28 and a quarter.
So he's 9 pounds.
Nicely done, Dave. Good job. There we go. Same fish, just a different time. Go, Davey. Go, Davey. Aren't you glad you switched over to cut bait?
First time I caught one without catching a cat.
You want some help?
Nope, I got it.
Yay, Davey! Good job. Official measuring device.
25,
I'd say
24, 23, 23.
23. So I'm gonna let you measure my fish. I'm gonna let you call my fish every time. Good job, Dave. I gotta get out of here. Go, Marty. Come on, Marty. Oh. Come on, Marty. Oh. Nice. Go, Marty.
Just go right up.
He's not done though. Nice fish, Marty.
There we go. Got the other for me?
Okay.
That's close enough.
Good job, Marty.
Okay.
Woo! No way.
I got the live well running.
What was that on, Marty?
We're not gonna do
Cut.
Okay, get rid of them. We can get rid of them. Okay.
Fresh bait.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Well, we'll never know.
Close enough. I think it's 28.
It was 38, right?
That's a nice red.
That's amazing. It's like right where you were at.
Yep. I was chumming it up for you. It's the same guy. We can measure him this time.
Yeah, this one's smaller.
Oh, never mind. Got another redfish?
Stingray? What is that?
Not a,
Oh, redfish.
that's not a redfish. Yes, it is. Oh, shoot. Didn't work out.
They're in that hole.
Yeah, I'll get there. I got too much, How you doing, Marty? What do you got, Dave? What are you doing? Fishing?
I'm about ready to go home. I'm getting tired.
You're catching. You're not fishing, you're catching.
I just want you to know I gave you the spot too.
Oh, you did? I thought you were going in there.
No, I was over there and I moved over to this one.
Well, Marty needs it now.
Where do I need to cast?
You see where my line is? There's a hole to the right, or to the left. That's where you need to go. Come on, Marty. You can do it. Throw it in there. Billy Kincaid.
Hey, Marty, remember we're on team. So actually you're winning.
Yeah, well, I don't want to win. I want to catch
I don't know what to tell you. I gave you your spot.
You think this little piece of bait's a problem?
No?
Sure, try a new one.
You want mine?
No, no.
You want his pole? Oh, now he does. Oh. Come on, Dave, quit playing with it. Show us what you got. It's a nice red. It's a nicer color. Darker, isn't it?
The pliers are literally
Okay.
right there.
Here you go, Marty. Show us what you
Hey, baby.
Okay, so I got a...
broke it.
Mr. Tarpon, go bye-bye. Bobber, go bye-bye.
Where's my bobber? Better grab that.